Yeah. Hitomi, yeah. What is your name?
Toshiyuki Hitomi.
Toshiyuki Hitomi. Can I just call you Hitomi? Hitomi, okay. Okay? Jenny. Hitomi, this is your partner Jenny. You say hi to Jenny.
Jenny.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. How do you find Hitomi?
Hi, sorry.
Nice. Kasi lumuhod lang. Nice lang. Kumakain ng bulaklak. How do you find Jenny?
Cute girl.